Reverse operation of the E23 transmission can present some challenges. It is very different than our traditional power shift transmission when we tie in the efficiency manager aspect. If I take my tractor out of park and put it in reverse, we can currently see that our set speed for reverse is 5 miles an hour. As I begin to put the tractor in reverse, I can see I'm only going 1.5 miles an hour. If I decide I need to go faster, as I try to take the tractor to a higher gear, it will not let me go any further. We need to increase speed using the throttle. I need to be very careful as I adjust from forward to reverse gears. If I have the tractor in forward and I have the throttle at the full position, the tractor will go ahead and go to the set speed and then begin to idle back. If I simply take the tractor, move it to reverse, we can see we're still in the full throttle position and the machine has came back to the economy speed of 1200 in full auto. Where I need to be careful is my set speed is 5 miles an hour and I still have the tractor in the full throttle position. If I quickly let go of the clutch, the tractor is very quickly going to try to achieve 5 miles an hour when I may not be realizing it. In order to prevent that, when you move from forward to reverse, make sure that the throttle is pulled back close to the idle position. As I let out on the clutch, the tractor will go ahead and begin moving slowly. Then I can utilize the throttle to increase my set speed. If I move the throttle to the full position, it will achieve the desired set speed of 5 miles an hour. In this example, we said we cannot get the tractor to go any higher than third gear or 5 miles an hour. We do have the transmission set where our maximum reverse speed is 5 miles an hour, which we could adjust that up if we so choose to. Now I do have the ability to shift up to a higher reverse gear or set speed. I would recommend in most cases, for safety's sake, to adjust the max speed down to a more tolerable level. It could be very easy to go from the forward gear, not remember the throttle is in the full position due to the fact that it will return to 1200 RPM, then put the tractor into reverse. If the set speed was set at 9 miles an hour, the tractor would take off very quickly. So in summary, when using reverse, adjust your maximum speed if desired, place the tractor in reverse, make sure the tractor is at idle, let out on the clutch, utilize the shift lever as well as the throttle to slowly adjust speed.